Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see what we got going on here from the last time we talked last night. We've initially got rejected up here again at that upper resistance, and then we came back down to the top part of this white support zone. But if we zoom in here, if we can hold the top part of this white support zone, right, you're going to have a nice run back up into here, and then maybe back up into here as your two upper resistances is again that 19,893, and then it's slightly descending up here at about 20,308, right? Those are your next two upper resistances. If you can break through out of here, which looks like it's going to, you got a nice rounding bottom, and it seems like you're about to pump up. But if you come back down, your initial underneath support is down here at 19,336. But it seems like the up direction is the direction today is going to play out in the Bitcoin market and the Bitcoin price. Seems like you're going to make a nice run up into some of these upper resistances. See that? It's already pumping. That seems to me where you're going next is you're coming up here to the 19,893. That seems like a done deal, but we'll watch out to see with the down dollar what happens, right? You can see Ethereum, they're all going to be in the same pump, but I'd be watching out for Ethereum now, is if you can make a run back. Where the hell is that at? I'm not sure where the other end of that is. The next upper resistance is this green fib circle on Ethereum. $1,119 is what you need to try to fight back above, and then you could have an even bigger pump if you can get above that, and you can try to make another run up here, up into this range at the 12.99 if you can break back above that green fib circle. But that's something that's going to be determined to see how this crypto market plays out. You can see right now Cardano is sitting down here near its lower support again, and you got to hold this blue horizontal line, because if you don't hold that, you're coming down to 31 cents, right? But if you can hold it, you can pump up to 61 cents. So Dogecoin, you can see it got rejected initially again by this 0.068 level. And if you can get some buyers to come back in, you can try to break above that and maybe make a run up here to the top part of the last line of defense, to the shit house at 8.5 cents. If you get rejected, you're going to trade back down to 4.5, 4.75 cents, 4.9 cents, right? And then XRP, you got rejected by the top part of this white support box earlier today. But if you want to try to get bullish, you got to break above the 200-day moving average. That's sitting right here at 33 cents, right? That's sitting right there at 33 cents. And then you can make a run up to 37 cents. If you don't, you're going to come back and trade down. If you break some critical support where you're at, now you're going to come back to 28 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.